Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well. If you are new here, my name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist and today I'm gonna show you how to do this very simple and classic makeup look. This is so easy to do and I really hope that you like this tutorial. So to begin, I'm gonna use a good eyeshadow base. Today I'm gonna use Ignite by Sigma Beauty. I really love this eyeshadow base because it sticks the shadows in the place and make them more vibrant, and they are amazing. So you can use it by itself or you can just set it with the eyeshadow later on. So I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid and blend it out using my clean finger. To create this makeup look today, I'm gonna use the Warm Neutrals palette by Sigma Beauty, which I love so much. The colors of this palette are amazing and very wearable. So using a blending brush, I'm gonna set this eyeshadow base using this very light pink color. This will be my transition shade, but I'm gonna apply also in the eyelid. And what is left in the brush, I'm gonna just blend into my crease in circular motions to diffuse the edges. Next, in the lower lash line and also in the upper lash line, I'm gonna use just a black pencil, and this is the black eyeliner by Sigma Beauty. So I'm gonna apply in the roots of the lashes, and I'm not gonna be worried because I'm gonna diffuse it later, so it don't have to be perfect right now. Using a smaller brush, I'm gonna just diffuse the edges of the eyeliner. And right on top, I'm gonna apply this deep plum shade. This is kind of wine shade, so I'm gonna kind of create my smoke eyeliner with it, but I'm gonna apply in the roots of the lashes as well, right on top of the black base that I did with the eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply in the lower and upper lash line. In the eyelid, I'm gonna use just a little bit of this pigment, and this is a pink pigment by P. Louise. I really love the color. I'm gonna link down below for you guys all the products that I'm using, and to apply, I'm gonna use a normal eyeshadow brush. All the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty. They are the best to create any makeup look, especially the precise ones. So I'm gonna link down below for you guys my favorite brush set in case you are interested. This is Melissa Samways favorites, and also I'm gonna link down below for you guys my discount code, and this is Melissa SB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. Now I'm gonna use the highlighter Audrei with the same brush to apply in the tear duct area, just to highlight a little bit, and the same highlighter I'm gonna use in my face. This is Audrei by Gerard Cosmetics. I forgot to mention the brand, I'm sorry. And to apply this highlighter in my face, I'm gonna use the Fawn Strobing brush, also by Sigma. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna use just a little tiny bit of this liquid lipstick. This is Imortal by Gerard Cosmetics, and I'm gonna diffuse this liquid lipstick in my lips just as a tint. I really like this effect, and this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. As you can see, it's very natural and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. And I'll see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah.